Step 1. Copy the text. Step 2. Paste it here. Step 3. Just wait for a few minutes and then just... Hey guys, Rana here. If you complete all the steps of this video, you will be able to make thousands of dollars with Google. And you know you can do amazing things with thousands of dollars, like holiday. You can buy a car. You could buy a new home, open your local business, and you can do other wonderful things. So that's why clicking on this video was one of the best decisions you made. Now you're about to learn how to make thousands of dollars in pure passive income on autopilot right from your home without investing any money at all. This works almost every country on this globe. Top of that, it can be done either with your phone or your laptop or your computer. So grab your phone or laptop and get ready because life-changing tutorial starts in 3, 2, 1, go. Let's go with the step 1. Before I start this, I want you to know this. Don't just watch the video, follow each and every step and take action. If you just watch the video and not taking any action, it won't work for you and you won't make any money at all. Anyways, let's move with our first step. Before I show you how you're gonna make money combining this tool with Google without website or zero traffic, first come to this website Mangolz.com. Mangolz is a tool that improves your website SEO. SEO means search engine optimization. Mangolz helps people to rank on first page of Google, and this feature helps us to make thousands of dollars in pure passive income. And don't worry, you don't need to know about SEO or any other technical skills, and you don't need a website or any other traffic source. Anyone with no experience can make money just watching this video. And this was our first step to open Mangolz.com. If you haven't completed the first step, just pause the video and open Mangolz.com and I'll wait for you. And I want you to do same thing for every step. Pause the video, complete the step and come back to the video and watch next step. That way, in the end of the video, everything will be set up and you are ready to make money. Have you completed your first step? Great job! Let's go with the second step. On Mangolz website, you have to sign up. Let's click on Start 10-day free trial and here fill this simple sign up form just by typing your email, your password and confirm your password. Let me do this and click on I'm not robot and then click on create my Mangolz account. Mangolz sent you a confirmation link at your email. Let's verify your email. Now open this email and confirm your account. Now click on that's cool, thanks. Now you have successfully created your account. Now click on continue to dashboard. So this is your dashboard. So this was your second step. Now you can pause the video and complete the second step and come back to the video. Alright, now let's go with the step 3. After creating an account on Mangolz.com, let's go to affiliate tab and you can see you will get 30% commission of each sale you made with your referral link. That's amazing guys. If you look at the Mangolz plan and pricing and you're able to make one sale of this plan, you will get 30% commission and it is almost $24. Let me show you. 79 multiply 30%. It's almost $24 with one sale guys. If you're able to make 5 sales, you will get almost $100 each day and you are not limited with 5 sales guys. You can make unlimited sales. I'll show you the way how you can make hundreds of sales in each month. And if you multiply $25 into 100, this much money you can make in your first month. And with that much money, you can do amazing things, you know that, right? You refer 100 people, you make thousands of dollars each month. No work required. At that time, switch off your phone or laptop and enjoy your earning. Do anything you like. If you are wondering how I'm gonna make sale without any traffic source, well, just keep watching this video. Now go to promo materials. Now copy your affiliate link. This is the main affiliate link you have to copy. Copy it. Now go to bit.ly.com. This is a link shortened website that shorts the long links. In here, paste your link down below and click on shorten and just copy your link. And if someone click on your link, they will land on Mangolz.com. And from there, if they buy Mangolz plan, you will get 30% commission depending on the plan they bought. And this is how you're gonna make money with this tool. If you stick around till the end of this video, I'll show you where you need to copy and paste your affiliate link and make money. You're gonna see that how easy it is and this is going to be a fun process. Believe me. Let's go to the step 4. Open Google.com. Just think for a second. Who needs better SEO? Well, Every website owner needs better SEO. In fact, people who just launched their website, people who struggling for ranking on Google and want more visitor on their website, especially we need to find these type of people. Just think who has enough money to invest into Mango's plan and they can take benefit from the tool so that you can make passive income every month. Keep watching because you are about to be blown away. This one make you thousands of dollars and you just need to do it once. Do you know how many websites out there who can invest in Mangos? 1 billion. Not 1 million, not 100 million, it's 1 billion. And you need only 100 of them who buy Mangos as your plan. How are you gonna do this? Well, you need to put some work first. I'm not talking about hard work, you need to do some smart work here. Now go to Google and search for any business. It could be grocery store in USA, it could be a gym, dental hospital in any country, literally anything you can think of. Especially, you need to search for small place in any country. For example, you can search for pet in Texas, or you can search for gym in Texas. You can search any new or old business who struggle for ranking on Google and not appearing on a first page. You can try a different variation in search terms and find website who is not ranking. Step 5. When the search results appear, go to the second or third page and look for the website whose content related to your keyword that you search on Google. Like you search pet shop in Texas, gym in Texas, dental hospital in Texas. Don't click on these ads. Just skip these ads and scroll down. On second or third page, open these websites. On this website, you have to look for contact us page. It could be either on top of the page or bottom of the page. On this website, it is on top of the page. Let's click on contact us, and here you can fill this contact us form. Okay, when you fill it, you type your first name, last name, your phone, your email, and below that you can type your script. In that script, you can tell them like your website SEO could be better and you can rank on a first page and gain more visitor if you try this amazing tool for better SEO. And you can tell them like this is a free tool, you can test it before you buy it, something like that. You can write your own script in your own words. Maybe you could write better than me. I'm not a good writer. Anyways, all you have to do, just send them a message. In your message, you could send them your referral link immediately, or you can wait for their reply and then send them your referral link. And when they click on your affiliate link and buy Mango's plan, and you will make money just like that. Let me quickly remind everything for you guys. Sign up on mangos.com, copy your referral link, shorten it with bit.ly, go to Google and search any businesses. Send them your referral link with your script. And that's the end of this video. I hope you complete all the steps. You can watch this video again if you skip something and complete all the steps. And that being said, enjoy your earning. Goodbye and I'll see you next time.